Today I am playing Kingdom New Lands. And you, hami cleich Kingdom New Lands. I initially saw this on a stream and it looked very pretty. Hon mi seo an doshach, id srú, agus fa céad uavasach ali. After that, I never gave it much thought until I saw it on sale. And Jeshin had a smúnich mi mór an id, dan ach mi ans an sale steamer. I then decided to buy it. Nurshen smúnich mi gun canich mia. I haven't really played much of it though yet. Had a chleich mi mór an ye haskida. Since I now have a Steam Deck, I thought it would perhaps be a good time to get into it. Von ha Steam Deck hagam nish, smúnich mi gun biecha na am ma toshach ed. It is a very minimalistic game, but I like minimalism. She game le system balach simply han, ach stolem minimalachas. It also looks very pretty, as I mentioned earlier. Haked gle voyach kujach, maregenemich miroi. I don't really remember how to play it properly, because I only played it very quickly when I first bought it. Hanel kuinagum, Kimer chleismia, son had a chleismi a gotcha dar chanishmia. So, I think it is like a tower defense game like Battle Cats. Mashen, hamismunach guvela koltachri game gientur mar Battle Cats. Actually, I really like Battle Cats. Gujaru, skle holum Battle Cats. The other day, I mentioned about my grandfather being ill. And Laroi, genemich mi mamohenad vi seich. Unfortunately, he passed on yesterday. Gnyo orstanach, hestanje. It is, of course, sad that he is no longer with us in physical form. Habroonach, gunjegu, nachela kollerun, and kru korpetul. But he still lives on through his actions and through myself and the rest of my family. Ach haas bjo troi griauen, agus trom hei, agus hod yen charlachagam. So I really don't know how to make money in this game. Machin, halisa mited, kimed koshin mi arged an siem show. I don't remember why I can throw coins on the ground. Chanel Queenagam, Corson Sundo, Bon, Hegel, and Dalu. There must be a reason for it. Fame gevel överan ed hum. Okay, so I think I'm getting the hang of putting coins on things or in the air. Kjast, hami smunach, gevel mi tugshin, mar chures mi bon ed ruden, na ansanaed. When I do that, a builder or handyman comes and does things for me. Dani mishen, hig fed toggle na fed kari, agus ni ruten go. The sunset looks really pretty. Halaina grain ked balach ali. So it looks like I can upgrade my defenses. Machine, ha kolta food me mo yin lesach. And I just got free money. Agus huad mi jirach arged naski. Okay, the night is upon us. Kjast, hanoich orin nish. It looks like I'm still struggling with the buttons. Hakoltach gevel mi haast stri lesh naputan. Oh no, it sounds like we are being attacked by monsters. Ochan, ha klunden margevel ulevestjen tad jansi oren. We survived another night. Hashim bio and je oich el. Perhaps I need to explore a little more. Stoch Vemi ransachtul. I wonder what the ship is used for. Chalisam jehan loish uashigerson. I like it when people randomly give me coins. Stolum dat ved dun bongo hudum. That almost never happens in real life. Chanelshen tahach an uol ach enemic. One has to work for one's coins. Femnech obed on chud arget. Unless, of course, you happen to have power, and then you get coin through corruption. Mudel gujaru kuach aget, agus nurshen yo arget troi hruel. I am not at all bitter about the state of the world. Chanel mi sharu ided mas stajen duel. So now I have upgraded my camp. Machin nish hamied mo hampach lesach. What does that do? I have no clue. Jenishen Chanalisam. There's a chance that I will get more money maybe. Ha chance gnomi tul arget hegu. Okay, so I think the archers kill animals and I get coins. Kjast hamismunach gevel na boderen maru viechen, agus gevel mi fein arget. I don't really know why they have to build on the water like that. Halisam Jason said toggle en nushk marshen. It might be that the water is an obstacle and the base can't expand with it there. Hegu gevel en dushk na vach, agus na hungan dengyen ledach deshenan. I have no clue. Halisam. Today in Japan is very rainy and somewhat humid. Anju and Japan habalach flich agus kad muchanach. Fortunately, however, it is not as hot as it has been for the last 4 months. Geforschenach geda, chanilla ho ches va eson en ked miesen muyed. Once the humidity drops off, it will be much nicer. Darnach bi ho muchanach. Bia moran nashad. I would like to go to the countryside soon. For example, Hokkaido or Shimane. Batolum gol dan duch gutch. Marshimled Hokkaido na Shimane. I have other things I need to focus on first. Haruden el agam edem ve mi focus yenu and doshach geda. I have to reapply for my residency visa this year. Femi yards ur chodstai eson mo visa gonium blien. I have been in this country for just over 10 years now. Hamied vi ansen durchshow kad begen tus jech blien nish. It's hard to believe that I lived in Scotland over 12 years ago. Had dulich chrechin gundomi furach an alban tus da je blienerash. It feels like a lifetime has gone by. Hafenach mad gunjech bered fad shechet. Though I honestly don't have the best of memories. Gad leshen irish chanel queen sharagam. One thing I found though is that if I do something very rarely, I remember it better and clearer. Andud hamitukshin kida. Gunjenin dudin gle enui. Be queen na sharagas na solaragamed. I hardly remember every day at work, but I remember very clearly visiting my grandparents 2 years ago. Skun gavel queenagam ed hula gobed. Ach, ha queen gle holeragam ed keli cord ed mohened as henwed dal vlienerash. Memory is funny like that. Hakuin nyonach marshen. So those are the bad guys, it seems. Marshin, she adshen na droch slua ha koltach. Those rascals. Na krotcherenshen. The music in this game, despite it only playing every so often, is very nice. An goal an sa game seo, genach hella clich ach vo am gam, balach green. I like the sound of synthesizers. Stolum fuaim synthesizeren. Perhaps that's why I like a lot of 80s Japanese music. Hegu, guneshen and desen gevel mi jail et moren kjol japanach, nen ochgadan. Anyway, I might finish the video here. Kihu, gudin kriech chod et video enjo. Thank you very much for watching and a blessing to you all. Moran tang es on ked agus bianach le ul.